1. Unparalleled portability. The GoPro's tiny footprint is its signature trait. Unlike bulky DSLRs or even some of its competitors, the GoPro can easily slide into your pocket. It's this unparalleled portability that encourages adventurers to take it everywhere they go, capturing impromptu moments without the hassle of lugging around heavy equipment. 2. Rugged durability. The GoPro isn't just another piece of tech, it's a rugged companion for those who lead an active lifestyle. Crafted to withstand the harshest environments, GoPros are built tough. Drop it, step on it, or take it on a whitewater rafting trip. This action camera is designed to endure and keep recording. 3. Stunning video quality. With GoPro, you don't have to compromise on video quality for the sake of portability. Delivering crisp 4K video, it rivals even some of the more professional equipment out there. Colors are vibrant, details are sharp, and every frame is a visual treat, befitting the memories you're capturing. 4. Versatile mounting options. One of the GoPro's strengths lies in its versatility. The range of mounting options available is staggering. From helmets to drones and even onto surfboards, there's a mounting solution for every activity. This versatility allows you to capture unique perspectives that would be impossible without conventional cameras. 5. Waterproof without a housing. One of the defining features of the GoPro is its inherent waterproof design. Many cameras require additional housing to venture underwater, but not the GoPro. It's ready for underwater adventures straight out of the box, making it perfect for snorkeling, diving, or even a fun day at the pool. Remember the days of jittery footage that makes your epic adventures look less than stellar? Those days are long gone with GoPro's hyper-smooth stabilization. Whether you're on a bumpy ride or capturing fast-paced action, hyper-smooth ensures your footage remains stable, offering a cinematic feel to even the most extreme activities. With the GoPro, you're not just capturing moments, you're capturing the essence of time. Its time-lapse feature can make clouds dance and stars streak across the sky. And with its slow-motion capabilities, you can delve into the intricate details of actions that the naked eye might miss, from the splash of a droplet to the flutter of a butterfly's wings. In the thick of the action, the last thing you want is to fumble with buttons. Enter GoPro's voice control. Whether your hands are occupied with climbing gear, handlebars, or ski poles, a simple voice command ensures you capture every moment without breaking your stride. 9. Expansive ecosystem. GoPro isn't just a camera, it's an entire ecosystem. From the Max Lens mod that offers ultra-wide angle shots to the Media mod for enhanced audio, the GoPro universe is vast. And with the GoPro app, editing and sharing your adventures is simpler than ever. 10. Community and inspiration. Finally, by joining the GoPro family, you become part of a global community. With millions of users worldwide, the inspiration is endless. GoPro regularly hosts challenges, and their platform is a testament to human spirit and adventure, offering a continuous stream of awe-inspiring content. The GoPro action camera is not just a piece of technology. It's an invitation to adventure, a call to explore, and a tool to document every precious moment of your journey. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or a casual traveler, GoPro promises to be the perfect companion. So why wait? Dive into the world of GoPro and redefine your storytelling.